Now we'll show you the outline stitch. I used all 6 strands of an embroidery floss. Really helps it to pop. Tied a knot in the end of it. And I've started here. I copied the pattern. I did that before I removed the paper pattern. Just hold it up to the light. And then it's just not a fancy stitch at all. It's just butting the stitches up end to end. So here I'm going to come up. And then I'm just going to go back down in that same hole as the last stitch. Super easy, just nothing fancy about this at all. And then I'm just going to finish around. The length of the stitches really depends on you. If they're too short, then it looks kind of choppy, but if they're too long, then you're not going to get a nice curve. Now I'll show you finished. I just want to show you one more thing. So I want a knot just right next to the fabric. I don't want it hanging out where it can be seen through on the white background. Now I'll show you. Just loop it around like this. Got your thread loop. Do like 2 or 3. If I do 3 with 6 strands, it's kind of bulky. And then keep your loop open and just push the little places where you've looped it right to the edge of the fabric. Put your fingernail on it and then pull it like that. And then the little knot is right at the end. That should help you. And I did tack the head down on the edges, and it turns out great.